Mayo Minawatashino. We are very much happy that God touched the hearts of our Japanese friends and shared their blessings to us. Domo arigato gozaimasu. So this time, let's hear the voice from Althea Mae Mogote. Amo na ni siya mamamatag namon. Ang amon nga mabalik sa inyo. Thank you and pamatian po si Althea.
Through tears and joy, I'll trust in you. Jesus, I believe in you. Jesus, I belong to you. You're the reason that I live, the reason that I sing, with all I am. Into your hands I commit again, with all I am, forever. I walk with you wherever you go, through tears and joy, I'll trust in you. Jesus, I believe in you. Jesus, I belong to you. You're the reason that I live, the reason that I sing. Jesus, I believe in you. Jesus, I belong to you. You're the reason that I live, the reason that I sing, with all I am. You're the reason that I live, the reason that I sing, with all I am.
Yeah!
Thank you, Althea. To our Japanese friend, sa inyong lahat, Moichido o Sansho Shite Kudasai. We are pleased to meet you. Kuchukite Kudasai. Take care always. God bless. Mabuhay. Matami. Sayonara. Goodbye and see you next time.
So dito po nagtatapos ang ating munting alaala at ating nanampalataya tungkol dito po sa atin. So naway maging yan, naibsan po ang ating mga pangangailangan. So kami rin po mismo mga HBS believer dito na nagpunta sa nagpapasalamat at umasa po kayo na meron pong pagpapalang darating sa inyo. Gabayan na po natin ang bawat isa sa pananampalataya. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.